I cannot sleep well. I have been too dependent on sleeping pills for so many years. For so many years, every morning I had to take a palm full of medicines which I had to swallow. As days pass, the bigger the pills get, the more pills I take. In other words, I could not take it anymore. My situation is so difficult. I feel sick, but I don't want to get sick because I am both the father and mother in my family. Second, I am scared to be hospitalized because nobody can take care of me while I am there unless I hire someone to stay with me. My major problem really is I cannot sleep. I always request the hospital to give me Valium injections, and I sign a waiver for it. Later, when Valium doesn't work anymore, they referred me to a psychiatrist. I sought consult secretly because I don't like them to think that I am going crazy. The psychiatrist was the one who has the capacity to prescribe the sleeping pills. It feels like as if I'm really going crazy. I even experience mental block. For some time I cannot recognize anyone, even the people at home. I cannot recognize them. It started in 2002. That was the time that I went in and out of the hospital. I needed oxygen every now and then. Then I had a second problem. I had multiple gallbladder stones.
The prescription given to her was an anti-anxiety drug. If given in appropriate high doses, it could also put her to sleep. This is because she was worried of so many things: problems, body discomforts, possibility of dying. In the attempt of the doctor to help her, these anti-anxiety drugs, calmers and sleeping pills will temporarily calm her and put her to sleep. But it doesn't really solve the problem because the toxins in the brain which is causing her insomnia is not yet removed and the organs of the body are still subjected to stress. The drugs just continue to accumulate in the body, but they don't work anymore. What we need to correct is the main cause of the problem. The chemicals that have accumulated in the body were eliminated by Quantumin Plus, so she was able to sleep again and her body discomforts subsided.
I was really hoping that Quantumin will help remove the stones, and it really did. I did not need any operation at all. I don't know how it was excreted because I cannot check my stool, but my latest laboratory results revealed normal results. It was all clear. My blood sugar level was like that of a young person. My urinalysis was also normal considering that I had urinary stone and I passed out blood or urine before. I am really so thankful. My hemorrhoids, I had a big one, need not be operated on because it was healed. Now, there is no more discomfort that bothers me.
If we will review the lifestyle of this patient, which is the lifestyle of the rich, you will note that it is all related to her problems. First, the kind of food she takes contains a lot of toxins because she always eats in restaurants, mostly meat and less vegetables. Second, she is always subjected to high stress levels because she is a very industrious woman, always on the go. Stress can destroy our body and make us weak. Later, she came to a point when she could not sleep anymore. She felt weaker and weaker. She felt pain and discomfort all over her body. She became dizzy. All these things were solved after she took Quantumin Plus. This is because the toxins in the body which were accumulated for so many years that are causing these problems were eliminated. She has been in and out of the hospital for so many times, unable to determine exactly what the problem was. Quantumin Plus was able to normalize her system so that until now, she need not go back to the hospital even for one time. Now, she feels very healthy and very young again.